So now, Pundarik Prabhu, I asked him to come here. He's kindly driven up from Nottingham to make this presentation on, what should we call it, the reincarnation project. How to stop reincarnation project. That's the real thing. I've been contemplating in the last few years how reincarnation, awareness of reincarnation has widely permeated the Western world. When I was growing up in the 1960s and 70s in this godforsaken country, I'd not heard of reincarnation. The first time I remember hearing about it was at school. I must have been about 14 or something, studying a Shakespeare play called Twelfth Night, which I don't remember anything else about it, except that there was one line in which someone making a joke or something about, don't shoot that partridge, don't kill that partridge, it might be your grandmother. And then it's explained in a footnote that this refers to the belief in reincarnation, which the teacher had to explain, because we didn't know anything about it. What about you, Yashamati Mataji? Never. You're about the same age bodily as myself. I'd never heard of it, but at least everyone knows about it now. And a lot of people have an awareness, and there's so many anecdotes coming out on YouTube. Not that everyone's interested in it, but consciousness of it is there. So it just struck me that we can promote this, that there's enough anecdotal evidence that reincarnation is a fact, and there have been studies that, if they were studies in science, in sociology or anthropology, would be considered good science, but because it's in reincarnation studies, they're not considered good science. It's just ignored by these supposedly scientific communities. So we should promote this. Reincarnation is a fact. And what are the ramifications of that? That's huge. That undermines Christianity and Islam and most of what's going on in the name of atheism in the Western world at the present time. Doesn't undermine all of atheism, because you can believe in reincarnation and still be an atheist. Think about Buddhism. I'm going to finish now, so I'll tell you that. So we should promote this. Anyway, I shouldn't go on too much because that's your presentation, right? But I asked Pundarik Prabhu to get into this because he's uniquely qualified for this, in as much as he has a background of lifelong in the medical profession and many years as a devotee, senior disciple of His Holiness Shivaram Swami. Maybe initiated, I think more than 30 years initiated.
96 initiation first, 99 second.
Yeah. So.
But we were aspiring for 10 years.
Okay, so long time disciple. And so he'll tell you all about it. Please stay and listen. And after that there'll be a presentation by Rishikesh Prabhu, so please stay for that. And then after that we'll have Gaur Arati.